I did it. I got another truck already. I bounced back. Quick, too quick.
I woke up throwing up, faded as fuck from yesterday. I won't take your shit, so miss me with that. I'll move out the way. Lungs black, puffing gas, yeah, bitch, that's the only way. Catch me in the same city where all of my homies stay. You don't work, bitch, we do. See you folding, bitch, you see through. Or you rap good, bitch, with me too. It's Devincii, nice to meet you. Let me type.
Quick, now I gotta figure out what's wrong with this. It's this truck is a little bit more hooked up than my old truck. It has a sunroof to begin with. Look at this. This is a flex right here. I love that. And it has the SS mirrors already that I didn't want to deal with because I like how they look too. And both of mine broke off. Hey, right now I have 2 trucks under my name, guys. This one's rebuilt. Doesn't this look cool? Like the Chevy logo on that. And then the red. This is like a turbo engine that I put my hood for.
For real. They used to tell me that you could pop.
Oh yeah, so it's not starting right now, so we think that it might be the fuel injector just not shooting fuel. It's not shooting any.
You can see it's all burnt in the back.
Right here?
Top of the, no, the clip on the injectors.
Oh
Whoever
yeah,
did
yeah.
it, spray painted it. It's all burnt up. Right here. On both of them. So go pull some other sets off. Get another set right now.
So we're gonna get the guy that I sold my engine to. He's gonna give me the injectors back.
Take backsies. Take
He's gonna
backsies.
give me just the injectors back, see if it starts up. But I told him I'm gonna get him new ones. It's just that mostly everything's closed right now. Wait up, guys.
So you're not the only one.
Hey, can you do it right now with it?
You're not the only one. I was like, oh, the only one.
It's gonna happen again, nigga. Try again.
Some gas in the
The guy said it's been sitting there for a minute, no?
Yeah?
The guy?
Okay. Oh, yeah. Try it.
Let's see.
It was missing 2 bolts.
Oh, so you put it on?
No.
Oh, because you're going to check out the bed. My fault, G.
All the screw, I just undid all the screws. To my bed. Now we gotta take it off, see if it's the fuel pump that's not working.
You're not gonna undo your harness. Ready? Over the wheel, guys.
Where is that, though? Oh, sus. Hold up, hold up. Oh, shit.
Alright.
Damn, that shit was dumb easy. Looks exactly like your old bed.
Huh?
This is red.
Look, it has a latch and everything. I'm gonna take your little plastic pieces out though, because that's what I hated. Look, this one's the notch that I used to have, but instead of bolting it on, we had welded it on.
This the exact same notch?
Yeah, look at the flip kit. It looks weird, no? Should I turn the key, see if you can hear it?
And you can cut this, me talking not to.
Yeah. Y'all see my keys? We're gonna change. We took off the bed and we saw that there's the stock shackles, so might as well just take them off my old truck since we still got it. Make the truck lower. but I'm scared because it already has the flip kit and I know it's gonna start hitting. So I'm gonna take the flip kit off actually later on though. Look at this, bro. Brand new tires all around. But what size are these? Just a fucking.
That's a big wall of tire, bro.
I know, but I didn't want it a big
Put
wall.
something underneath the front tire.
Right here. Oh, get a brake right there. It's just embarrassing. And I have a carbon muffler that I had for my old truck, but I never got the chance to put it on. And I also have some more exhaust tips that I also have. But they're the ones that came on this truck, so now I just got extra exhaust tips. Actually, I'm gonna paint these exhaust tips black.
Watch out. This thing's gonna pop up.
I'm swello now.
That shit's on the floor.
Come on, dog.
Power wash is in them. Power wash all the possible.
So satisfying. Watching it go perfectly in there. So now you guys know this little easy, quick and easy install will drop your truck 2 inches.
Easy to do with the bed off.
Yeah, easy to do with the bed off. Yeah, I know, that's why we got the pressure washer on deck.
Gun. This thing right here, like.
Those balls?
Yeah. It's like how much food.
Does that say F plus J?
Yeah.
Did you guys write that?
No, that was there.
That was there?
Yeah, that was there.
How could you even?
I didn't know it said something though. I just thought it was a mark.
You don't think that says F plus J?
Spray paint that
Nah,
black.
it doesn't look like an F.
T?
Nah. That's just like perfectly in the middle. Trying to get the other side?
Mm-hmm.
Hey, done.
Yeah, clean this bitch. Now to clean this hole.
Alright. You're gonna have to wash it on that side, huh? Hey, yo.
Fucking engine bay too, shit. Where?
That's it.
Huh? My own stronger?
Don't fuck up on the cable, nigga. You better chill. Get the other one. Fuck that.
The other one was better, huh? Nah, it's good like that. There, it's good.
Man, that shit look crazy. Put a before picture like right here.
So, Turns out the C notch is a lot more to the left. It's supposed to be over here. So it hits right here. It hits right here. So that's gonna be annoying when I'm driving. I'm gonna have to take it off, move it to the left, to the right a little bit. Is there space? There's no space. I'm about to cut the too.
You can see where it gets hit on the right
And I'm
side.
thinking I'm gonna go back to Kai Bill so he can weld it on. Or unless I get a bigger notch later on. Look at this. This is where my amp is at. Oh, shit. We couldn't figure it out. We had to tow this. The little Nissan that could. We changed a lot of shit and it still doesn't start. So, but it's shit that had to be changed regardless because it looked ugly. When we took it apart, it looked ugly. We just towed it over here with this, a straight rope. Who was driving behind me? You were in. Who was in?
Yeah, that one.
You were in what car? Was my shit like the back of the bed bouncing ugly?
Hey, what did you change, Ayo?
Shit, we changed the. Huh? Oh, the brakes are fucking ass.
Because it's not turned on.
Oh, okay.
There's no vacuum inside.
So we changed the fuel regulator. We changed it. We changed these two injectors. We changed the module right here, the thing that shoots, that makes the spark, the coil spark, and that's it. We put gas right here. It doesn't start up. Nothing.
No tiene chispa.
No, yeah.
Llega gasolina a la línea, pero ya no sale para aquí.
Oh yeah, we took it off to see if gas gets here, and it does, but it still doesn't shoot it down. So you think it might just be like the whole carb itself?
Yeah, Junie be the realest. Section 8 apartments where I'm living. Got the foreign and I'm tryna whip it.